Python was born in the late 80s, a brainchild of the Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum. With a design philosophy emphasizing readability and simplicity, Python quickly became a favorite among beginners. As we moved into the new millennium, Python's popularity skyrocketed. Its versatility and ease of use made it the go-to language for a plethora of applications, spanning from web development to artificial intelligence. One of Python's most prominent features is its syntax: clear, concise, and easy to comprehend. Additionally, Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, procedural, and functional programming, making it a flexible tool for developers. Looking ahead, with the surge in machine learning and automation, Python stands at the forefront of technological advancement. Mastering Python could unlock a myriad of opportunities in the tech industry. So why is Python the king? Its simplicity and flexibility make it a preferred choice for novices and seasoned developers alike. Coupled with its readability and extensive community resources, Python proves to be an invaluable asset for any programmer. In summary, Python's journey from inception to dominance is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Whether you're dipping your toes in coding or seeking to diversify your programming repertoire, Python is a wise choice. Stay tuned for more enlightening tech insights on our channel. And remember, your likes, shares, and comments fuel our passion to bring you more quality content. So don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.